cucumbers lead the way with 2 cups of brine to save the day. 1 small onion, golden and sweet, softly dancing in warm oil's heat. Garlic joins the happy tune. Fresh dill fills the afternoon. Summer smiles beneath blue skies. Nothing beats these cool, fresh bites. Ready in just a little while. Every spoonful brings a smile. Blend it smooth without a fear. 1 cup sour cream makes it clear. Add some cold water, nice and slow. That's the taste of summer's glow. Oh! Da, 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 da. Now the blender starts to sing, turning all to something rich and smooth. If it's just a little tart, a pinch of sugar does its part. Let it chill inside the cold. Best enjoyed when ice cool served. Diced cucumber, fresh dill too. Now it's ready just for you. Yeah! Born from almost nothing at all, simple meals can still stand tall. Now great chefs proudly make it shine, serving flavors so fresh and fine. Hey! Summer smiles beneath blue skies. Nothing beats these cool, fresh bites. Just a few minutes, then you're done. Time to rest beneath the sun. Cool shade calling through the trees. Soft, warm summer dancing breeze. GastRock plays, the whole world sings. Love is so